Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Gallium reacts with chlorine gas to produce gallium chloride. We need to find the balanced coefficient for gallium. Let's solve this chemistry puzzle. First, we write the unbalanced chemical equation by placing gallium and diatomic chlorine on the left side. These reactants combine to form gallium-3 chloride as our single product on the right. Next, we look at the chlorine atoms. Since we have 2 on the left and 3 on the right, we must find a common multiple of 6 to balance them out perfectly. We place a 3 before chlorine and a 2 before gallium chloride. Finally, adding a 2 before gallium balances everything, making option B our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent mistakes. Trust the given values and check your steps.